Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to play Indila's love story on the keyboard. First, let's identify the main melody notes for the song's opening. You'll want to focus on the C major scale for the right hand. Next, understand the basic chord progression for the verse, which primarily uses M, G, C, and F. Practice the right-hand melody and left-hand chords separately at a slow tempo to build accuracy before combining them. This foundational step is crucial for mastering the piece. Now, let's dive into the left-hand technique. The four primary chords you'll need are a minor, G major, C major, and F major. For a richer sound, try using a simple arpeggio pattern for the left hand, playing the root, fifth, and octave. This adds depth without being overly complex. Remember to maintain a steady rhythm throughout, perhaps using a metronome set at 80 BPM to keep your timing precise. Consistent practice will make these chord changes feel natural. Moving to the right hand, focus on mastering the melody with smooth, connected transitions between notes. Pay attention to the phrasing, making sure each musical sentence flows naturally. Incorporate dynamic changes to bring the song to life. Play softer in the verses to create a more intimate feel. Then, practice the chorus with more emphasis and a slightly faster tempo to build excitement. These subtle shifts in volume and speed truly enhance the emotional impact. Finally, it's time to combine both hands. Start very slowly, ensuring perfect synchronization between your left-hand chords and right-hand melody. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 15 minutes daily to build muscle memory and solidify your technique. Remember, patience is vital when learning any new piece. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing Love Story beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.